So this really affects so many women and really anyone who cares about women. We're moms. This affects our daughters, sisters. If you're a man watching or a woman watching, your wife, really any woman you care about out there, this affects them. And ABC 15 investigator Nicole Gregg joining me. I'm curious to hear what people are saying about this, what Arizonans were telling you in real time today as this came down.
Well, I think that this is a really tough topic for people to go on TV and tell their opinions. I mean, for a lot of people, this is a private decision. It's a decision between you and your family. However, what we did hear, people saying that it's hard to classify what their views are because, it's hard to classify whether they're pro-life or pro-choice because it's really a situation by situation basis. Hello. We're working on a story today for ABC 15 on the abortion ban that just happened. Okay.
It's not easy asking people their opinions on camera about abortion.
Trying to talk to people about the abortion ban today.
I'm not sure if I'm whether pro-choice or pro-life or according to the Christian beliefs and all that, all life is acceptable. God created each and one of us, so it's just kind of hard to understand and put my finger on which side I go with.
Not everyone had heard Tuesday's news of a near total abortion ban in Arizona.
I think that they should still let it be legal, but they're saying 15 to 20 weeks. I'm going lower than that.
You'd like to see an abortion ban lower than that?
Yeah, because at 15 weeks they're almost 3 months old, and that's a baby already.
What we did hear over and over, it's not an easy side to take. For some, they feel there's certain situations that a woman should have the right to choose, like in the case of rape.
I think a woman should have a choice when it comes to that.
How do you feel about it, the fact that basically we're going to go back to a ban before we were a state? So it's going to basically ban all abortion.
In the 1800s.
Yep, 1864.
I don't know about that.
For Hector, he has a wife and daughter who he has to think of.
Overall, I think it just really depends on the situation. But I know for some people having that option there could really change their life. But I mean, it's a touchy subject. So yeah, I don't know.
Katie, one thing that I did hear, many people are hoping that this might end up on the ballot in November, so voters can decide where they want abortion rights in Arizona to go.
Giving everybody a chance to have a say in November. One of the big concerns, it disproportionately affects women who might not have the money to travel across state lines to still receive that kind of care. We appreciate you getting this side of the story and hearing from our viewers. Javier, I'm going to send it back to the studio.